create a 2-bar bass line every day for 365 days. It's day 21, and I'm going to do some vocal overdubs for this one. All right, that's the line. Check out the space. It's my favorite part, letting it breathe. And then my second favorite part is the short notes followed by long notes. Those are the key ingredients. This is just an A minor using simple chord tones and a little bit of a 4th degree. Right hand placement is by the pickup or closer to the bridge for a tighter sound. And I could not talk and play these syncopations, so that's why we're overdubbing. I'll see you tomorrow.